Delivery! Stop beeping!
Matt, what are we doing this week?
Nothing. We are doing something different. This is a printed full colour change. Does that make sense? So the car is blue, he wants the car white, and with all of this design. So it's one of these anime wraps. We've done quite a few of these now. Again, they're all different. The designs are pretty cool. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Full printed anime wrap. Ooh, 3 10mm, or 2 10mm. Oh dear. Just got a gasket on my head. Held in by a wire clip. What kind of door handle is held in by a wire clip? There's that bit. Now I need to come around this way. In there is a little clip which holds the wire on, and you have to undo it for the handle to come out. It is the most ridiculous design. It is out. Look at it! Where's it gone? Stupid. Oh. Oh. Here we go. That one doesn't come off. That one's off. That one's off. Okay, clean time. Clean, clean, more cleaning, more rubbing. Where is it? Let's go and get it then.
I can't fly in here.
Of course you can.
I don't even know how to.
Go and get it, we'll have a play. He's got a drone. And then he's telling me he doesn't need to do a license for it. Let us know in the comments below, because I've told him he needs a license. And a certificate, and insurance, and everything else. Do you need a license for a drone? You definitely need insurance. You could fly into someone. You seen that video on YouTube where that guy flies into the bride? It's like, this is Rusty. He's literally spinning. Holding a fixing whilst losing, ow! My fingers. Let's go and get some graphics. It's our new plotter. In the middle of the gap, nowhere near the gap.
What's your friend's name?
Bahaji. Reminds me of that Fast and the Furious thing where he puts his slippers on. Wabaki.
Wabaki. Wabaki.
Wabaki.
We are using Arlon SLX. Basically, idiot-proof vinyl. No stickiness until you push it down. It's good stuff, actually. Very good stuff. Just lining up. So here I have my proof, so I can see where we've got to be, what we've got to do. And I reckon we are bada bing, bada boom in terms of location. So as long as it's straight, which it is, I reckon we just send it. Send it. Bonnet, this side, almost done. Just got to do the lower valance, or the lower skirt, which is this piece. So we have to line this up, stick that on, using Arlon SLX. We like Arlon, which means you can basically put it in place and it doesn't stick until you want it to. So both the bumpers are done, that's all going white. The roof's going to be white, the tailgate's going to be white, but the rest of it is the printed design. So this one's going to be continued. It's Friday. We've also got some other cool things coming in. So yeah, like, subscribe, do what you do, and we'll see you in the next one.